We are getting on the Celebrity Summit.
And there's Sherry leaving me behind, as usual.
Excuse me, sorry, this is your room?
Yeah. Stateroom might be ready by around 2 o'clock. I mean, you lost your phone.
I had it when we got off the elevator. We are in 6047.
And the luggage already came.
Wow,
2 o'clock.
yours did.
Yeah, the one that matters, mine.
Oh, look. I'm sure they charge you for that.
What are the prices? Let me
Oh,
see.
yeah, the kettle chips are
The
$5.
tiniest font. Let me see. Wow, the tiniest font. Gotta be nuts. $5 for that tiny little thing? There's 2 of them, so it's $10. Avion water is $2. No, that's the amount. $5.50. Jeez. I mean, at least the Avion waters are like sizable portions. Not tiny chips.
Seriously.
You lost your
I
phone.
had it when we got off the elevator.
You sure it's not in your your bag? It's not in the.
No, it's not.
What about the bathroom?
No, I just had it when we were coming off the elevator. I had it in my hand.
Where'd you put it?
I
Check
don't
your
know.
purse.
See if it's outside on top of your suitcase. If not, you're gonna have to call it.
Right here. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is why we can't have nice things. This is why. This is why right
I'll
here.
tell you what happened.
Oh my god.
I
You
will
were
tell
ready. You were
what
ready to just declare World War III and
I'll
call
tell
the
you what
Coast
happened.
Guard.
I went to go open the door.
Fly to the nearest
and you
Apple
said,
store.
Hold on,
and
let's
buy-
video it, and then you took a million years.
Look
so
at that.
I
Look
took
at the
my phone.
lawyer skills kicking in, trying to twist and
Alright.
turn and spin it
So
so
let's
it's my
talk
fault.
about this room.
Okay, yes. Back to the room. Back to what people care about. And not so much about expensive chips. Holy moly. But
I do like
About the
this.
ship.
This is kind of cool. The see-through. Oh,
That's
they
different.
didn't bring us towels though.
it's very different having, cabinets.
Yeah, they didn't bring
Above
us.
this.
We don't have the beach towels.
And then these are the drawers. There's a lot of them.
Oh, so these are actual
One,
refrigerators.
2, 3. I'm showing them the drawers first. You wait until I'm showing. Oh my god. Fine.
Stuff in
I
here.
guess we're gonna show you. We're gonna show you the fridge first because somebody decided to show the fridge first.
But I'm guessing
Look.
you have to pay for this because we don't have
Yeah.
the package.
That's a pretty safe bet.
Yeah.
First time I've seen a fully stocked fridge on the ship. So then back to the drawer. Am I allowed?
Yeah, keep going.
Do I have sign off? Okay, good. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all I wanted to do is count. I like to count. There.
So they do have room service that you can get.
It's a fancy booklet for room service. Right there.
So they
Wow.
hold on. So they do have in here complimentary breakfasts
Yeah,
that
let
you
me-
can get delivered with all of this stuff on it. So that's all complimentary. But then if you want the premium, it's $9.95 service fee per room for the delivery.
So all that stuff is free on the left?
Mm-hmm.
It's a lot though.
Mm-hmm. And then I
It's
guess
a lot.
you just hang this on your door handle before 2 o'clock.
It's not bad.
Now, but then they have a menu back here.
Is that complimentary?
So
left?
complimentary is fruit, cereals, and bakery. And then for eggs and omelets and from the griddle, it's $9.95.
It's not bad.
And
Not
then
bad. I approve.
$9.95 for soups and starters and salads.
Mhm.
You can do a main course.
Seared
And then they-
salmon. Look at that.
And then they have dessert. So there's that. And then you can get drinks
Alcohol
delivered.
delivered. Oh, look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice.
Right. Then you have one closet, and it comes with the robes,
Oh, it comes with the ropes.
and it comes with an umbrella.
Oh.
If you're in port,
Very
An umbrella.
nice. First time I've seen an umbrella.
And then it's not a plastic laundry bag.
It's one
It's
made
a
of linen
cloth.
or cloth.
Linen, cloth, whatever.
And
Yeah.
then plenty of shelves. Very nice.
There's that.
And then, you know, we showed you the tiny safe.
And
Let's
the
show them the
bathroom.
bathroom. All right. I
Okay.
may have to take my book back off because I may not
So
fit in
this
there.
bathroom's a little smaller than
hold
what
on.
we're
Put in the
used to, but
heavy
the
book
shower
bag
is bigger,
Down. Ugh.
which is interesting.
All right.
So here's the bathroom. Oh, and it comes with some replenished body lotion in a nice fancy bottle.
Oh, it's actually spacious, no?
You got a shower cap. Got hand little towels and some soap and Kleenex. And it also comes with a hair dryer and a nice little linen bag.
Actually quite spacious.
And then extra toilet paper and
Get in the shower.
so this is the shower, and it comes with some fancy shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner.
So here's the
And it has a hanging dry.
Sherry
towel.
Marcus litmus test. You know, for the folks that have met her in real life, you know how tall she is.
And this detaches.
And you can use her as a size chart comparison of how big this shower
And
is.
this detaches.
It's pretty big, I think. I think this is probably one of the largest bathrooms we've been in.
This. Oh, and it
Sure.
also has to shave your legs. It has a.
Was that what this is for?
It has a standing thing. Yeah.
Oh.
And it also has a grip here if you need to hold.
Yeah, that was for...
Has a grip here. This kind of reminds me a little bit of the carnival celebration
Very
shower.
nice. And look,
And
a
it has like a marble.
little hanger for your clothes.
Yeah, and it's glass door, not a Oh, and then turn around. It's got hooks. You can hang your stuff up.
So, what do you think of the size of the bathroom? Biggest one yet?
No, it's about the same size of the one we just got off of.
No. Celebration. The toilet was right next to the shower in the Celebration.
Well, this is right next to the shower.
Look at all that space. Look.
This
One
is-
can
I think-
sleep there. That's how big it is.
No, I think it's about the same.
No, you're talking about. Wait, let me put the camera in there. Wait. You're talking 2 feet. 2 feet between the toilet and maybe even longer. You know, 2.5 feet, maybe 3 feet for the shower. The Celebration, the toilet was like literally right here, I want to say. So this is pretty big. This is
Right.
very big.
Then you have this is not a digital AC, it's, what do you call it? Analog kind of.
I mean, a dial.
And then you've got this that turns your lights on right here, which is kind of cool at night.
Any USB plugs?
No USB on this side that I can see.
There's an outlet though
there's
down
a-
the floor.
There's a plug. I think that's a European outlet.
Style outlet.
I think.
Right down there, if you can
I
see
can't tell.
Yeah, it's a European.
Yeah. And then you've got drawers here.
You got drawers,
One drawer and 2 shelves.
and then the
And
bed.
what is a speaker?
Bed's very nice. So you can lower the speakers, the speaker up here when they blast
How
announcements.
do you know what's the loudest and what's not?
No, you figure it out. Only one way or the other.
Kind of confused.
No, you can figure out later. There are 2 outlets over here by this lamp.
Oh, hold on.
Electrical outlets.
This is a connecting room. So if
Connecting
you need a
room.
connecting room, 6047, and we are right off the elevator. Literally. Like the elevator's right outside our
Yeah,
door.
this is a very convenient location.
Yes.
Access any part of the ship. Size of the TV.
Then we have a desk,
The desk. Mirror.
and they still give you your paper
Itinerary
schedule.
More outlets. Let's take a look at the outlets here. So we got two American style outlets, 1 European, and 2 USBs. Nice. Very handy. Very,
Oh.
very handy.
This is our light. You know what this is.
You know
but-
what I forgot to bring? I forgot to bring the USB extension.
Again?
I forgot it. Darn it.
Well, I have a
We
plug.
gotta have a checklist.
Yeah, but
we
I
gotta have
have
a checklist.
I have a plug that has 2 out.
That's fine. We'll make do.
Plus, do you have USB over here?
No. Only the American plug-in.
No, there's USB.
There is?
Right here.
Out's the way. Let me get a shot.
2 USB right there.
Let me see. Let me Zoom in. Oh, I totally missed it. Yeah, there it is. Not bad at all. All right.
And then you have a chair with a
This
table.
doesn't recline out or
I know
anything.
that, but you have a table here with a chair that you can use.
Oh, okay. Could work.
And then
Put food.
it is very hot out.
You gotta twist it.
Lock up.
This should be hilarious. This is how to work it. Then again, I don't need it.
Don't worry. Oh look, these have little pillows on them. The chairs have little pillows.
Ooh. The pillows on the chairs.
There's
A little table.
It's a pretty big balcony.
And here's the balcony. Now let me see if I can go back.
It's
Get a
definitely
wide
bigger
angle
than,
shot of the balcony. This is a very big
Very
one.
wide.
Larger than the Celebration.
Oh, there's the Royal. Look, there's the Royal Corporate Office.
Oh yeah, let me zoom in. That's the Royal Corporate Office right over there. And then zoom back out. And you see, if you look straight down, you'll have a view of a lower deck, some of the boats, and the water. Once we, sail away. So there you go.
I would say, oh, and then you got your flat screen. I would say that this room is nice. It's a little torn. You can see spots in the carpet. But, I mean, it's not like the room is disgusting. Let me do a cushion test.
Cushion test.
It's a little,
No,
not like squishy.
Not exactly scientific there.
It's not squishy where you sink into it. It's kind of stiff a little bit.
So you're gonna write a letter about the
No, I'm not saying it's uncomfortable. I'm just saying if you're looking for like a real
I think it's
squishy,
big, though.
sink-in bed, then
This is-
this is not gonna.
This is a big bed.
Yeah.
There you go.
Room 6047
On the summit.
Oh, I was trying to close. That's a heavy door. On the summit. So, all right. See you later. That thumbs up button.
Hey guys, make sure to subscribe, smash that like button, and click the notification bell!